Like, okay, so can you tell me why you pulled up on me?
Why they pulled up on you?
When the man who wanted to escape from the chase realized that he could not escape from the police by car, he tried to escape by getting out of the car, and now let's watch what happened from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts with us in the comments section.
3-3, taking off on 3-4, searching that way. Which way is he going? Northbound Kenny. Northbound Kenny. Coming up on Henderson. Up to Henderson. Eastbound Henderson. Eastbound Henderson.
Pursuit authorized. Let's find the caller.
Authorized, copy, thank you. Coming up on Owen Stacy. Right there he is, cruiser, right there to your right. So you're going to be on the freeway and go northbound 315 from Henderson. Northbound 315 Henderson. 30's got the lead for a second there. Go ahead, 30. 30, northbound Henderson, coming up on Bethel. Channel 1's moving by. 30, he's going to take the Bethel Road exit.
Update with speeds and conditions.
Going about 80 miles an hour. Just got back on 315 north from Bethel. We're available. Chopper's down. 30, he's probably going about 100 miles an hour right now. Coming up to Worthington exit.
L4014 units on it.
3-1's behind also.
30's coming up to 161 exit, continuing northbound. Exiting 161. There's the DOT yet. Going eastbound. Eastbound 161. 31 has the lead, you can call it.
Permission to pit if possible. His car is smoking, about 20 or 30 yards behind. His car is smoking badly. He's losing a tire. Coming up the high street. Tire just shredded. Tire shredded. Running about 45 miles an hour. He's going to bail. He's bailed. Mail black, all red.
Where you got him at?
didn't make it out. He did not make it out. He did not make it out across the street. He did not make it out. He did not make it out across the street. He did not make it out.
He's probably behind this fence. You got him, John?
Hands on your back.
Here you go.
You got mark. You got contact.
Here you go. Here you go.
I got it. I got it.
Good.
Yep.
What did I even put over for?
Correct.
What can I do for you?
Just hang on. We'll get it all. Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, whatever, brother. What did I do?
What'd you do?
Well, how were you just driving?
What'd you do?
I mean, I was just driving because y'all pulling it, but I'm not about to stop. I don't know why.
You're not gonna stop? Why wouldn't you stop?
You're scared, aren't you?
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, hell
Here,
yeah.
sit up, roll up on your butt. You got anything on you? Huh?
I went, look, I'll tell you the truth. I went right there, I hopped the wood, went over there, hopped that little fence, and went in between the little two garages right there. And that's
Okay,
it.
he might have children here.
That's why I came
Is there
out
a gun
here.
thrown down somewhere?
No.
Are
no.
you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I want a kid to pick it up.
Nah, go ahead. I promise you, go ahead.
He ran. He cut
Okay.
over
I literally
this.
cut right
Double
up.
check. I just want to make sure there's no
Yeah.
gun laying around for these kids.
Go ahead, man.
You got him, Mark?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm not going there, bro.
Let's check his backyard right here and make sure we don't have a firearm. Come around here and put you in the center. Okay?
How are you? I'm 20, sir. But, like, okay, so can you tell me why you pulled up on me?
Why they pulled up on you? Well, we got calls about you and a. But we got calls about you and a female arguing.
Yeah.
Okay. Someone said there was a gunshot off.
A gunshot?
This is what calls we got. Okay.
Oh my.
Then we got updated that you were at the Taco Bell or parked in that parking lot there. Officers pulled up on you. You took off.
Yeah, I did. That's all
Okay.
right. I'm sorry I did that.
So that's what you're being detained for. That's what, you know, you're going to have some stuff out of all this driving. And then we got to figure out the other situation about you and the girl fighting. So,
Well, can I at least like call somebody? Cause, like,
what's your name?
J. Corn Seals?
How do you spell it?
JQUAN. Can you please?
And then S-E-L-L-S?
SEALS.
S-E-A-L-S.
Can you please?
What's your birthday, man?
Oh, 9/2. Can you please grab my phone out my car?
Yeah, let me get this stuff first. It's, what?
6 months? 2002.
Okay, what's your social?
My social?
Alright. You said your phone's in the car?
Yes, please.
Whose car is that?
That's my friend Shalise. She's at work at McDonald's. She doesn't even know I just did this. That's her car. She needs to know. She's at 161 McDonald's.
So were you fighting with the girl?
And that's my girlfriend. I was arguing with her. There was
Who is
never
she?
gunshots. Her name is. Please call her. Please get her. Please.
30.
Please.
Supposedly the female half out of this lives at Tiffany and wants to go over and talk to her.
They're looking in the wrong spot. I wasn't right there.
Did you make contact with the victim out of this yet, by chance? Did anybody make contact with the victim, female victim out of this?
Sit tight, right?